Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can recover your disabled Discord account. So basically, your account could be disabled for multiple reasons. Basically, is if you just had spam messages, and you joined a bunch of different servers really fast. Basically, a suspicious activity of like robotic activity. Basically, you're trying to hack into Discord, or you're trying to send like spam messages and stuff. These are reasons that could get your Discord banned. So how you can recover them? Actually, there is only one way to recover your Discord account, is to send an appeal for Discord themselves. So you can see Discord support if they can actually review your appeal and see if they can reactivate your account or not. So you're going to go on to Discord and you're going to click on contact, okay, Discord, okay, and once you search for that, you're going to submit a request, and from submitting a request, you're going to go, what can we help you with? Okay, you're going to go on appeals and age Discord. You're going to go on appeals and age update requests. Okay. Then after you do that, you're going to put your email address that you used, and then how can we help you? You're going to appeal an action taken on my account or bot, okay? And then what would you like to appeal an action taken? And then you're just going to start talking and saying what happened. So basically, what you need to do is a couple different tips that you need to know. First of all, is to copy the email that has been sent for you, telling you why your account probably was disabled, and then paste it and say why this was wrong and why this is basically wrong and why should your Discord be reactivated. And if you do that, basically you can just like, hopefully there's a big chance that Discord, as long as you've been disabled for like unfairly, if you actually been disabled unfairly, there's a high chance of your account to be reactivated. But if you're not, and you're actually trying to do spam messages, then there's a big probability that it's not going to work. So yeah guys, that was basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.